Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Math and Tech Support. Here I would like to share with you that how you can remember the values for common angles in trigonometry as sin 30, cos 30, tan 30 and other common angle values. For this, first of all, let's make two right angle triangle. Just I have already made, you can see in figure 1 for 30 degrees and 60 degrees and second figure for 45 degrees. Now you already know from the rule PVV upon HHV where P is equal to perpendicular, B is equal to base and H is hypotenuse. Or for some Hindi students where they already know that the rule is the Lal Bate Kaka where L is lump, K is Karn and A is Adhar. Now from this rule, you can extract sin 30 as you already know that from the Lal Bate Kaka or PVP upon HHV. The sin theta is P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to base upon H, that is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. From this rule you can extract the values for the sin 30, cos 30 and other common angles. Like I have already extract for sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to lump bate karn or perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and from figure 1 for sin 30 the perpendicular is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. So the sin 30 value will be 1 upon 2. Likewise cos 60. For cos 60 the rule is base upon hypotenuse. So here base is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. So cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. And likewise you can extract for the sin 60. Now here for sin 60 the perpendicular will be under root 3 and the hypotenuse will be 2. So sin 60 value will be under root 3 upon 2. Now from the second figure for 45 degrees angle you can extract the values for the sin 45, tan 45, cos 45 and other common angles. Now here from the second figure sin 45 will be 1 upon 1 because 1 is here perpendicular and 1 is base. And for tan 45 for tan 45 the rule is P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base. So tan 45 will be 1 upon 1 and sin 45 will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon under root 2. In the same way you can find the values for sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for any angle 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees. For example sin 45 will be P upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon square root 2, and for tan 45 will be 1. Now for remembering triangle, just remember one value cos 60. You already know that cos 60 is the easiest value to remember, that is 1 upon 2. So 1 will be base and 2 is the hypotenuse. So from the Pythagoras rule you can find third side, as according to the Pythagoras rule h square is equal to b square plus p square, that is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. And you already know that cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2, that is base will be 1 and hypotenuse 2. So you can find the third side perpendicular p square, that will be 2 square minus 1 square, which will equal to 3. So perpendicular will be square root 3. So in this way you can remember both the triangle, and just by remembering the value for the cos 60 And for second figure tan 45, you already know that tan 45 will be 1. So from only these two, you can make both the triangles and can remember all the values for the common angles. Thank you for watching. Thanks.